colder than crap out here. You got my phone, baby?
I'm gonna kick your ass.
I'm sorry, I thought you had my phone.
Flat heel up your ass. Why don't you start car running?
He's going in only for a second.
I don't care. You don't do that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody can take your shit. Why not? Oh, it's sunny out here.
Not really.
I know you got that camera on my face.
I got it on your breast.
You was such a pervert. Say hello to my pervert.
Hi, pervert. Brr. It's cold in here, babe. Goodness.
What do you have to report today?
Going to the mall.
You mall again?
If it's open on New Year's.
It is.
Get the gas hand on there.
I have to zoom it in. You can't wave at the camera because I just now.
Hello,
you can.
camera. How you doing, world?
Whoa.
What?
Ah. Ooh. She's not supposed to be doing that.
It's too early to be taking off.
Oh shit. Wow. Oh. She's gonna shut off.
No, she's not. You know what that means. Sorry, babe.
Yeah, like we in hydraulics.
What?
A broken cigarette, huh?
How is it that still? Did you get our picture?
What picture?
Right there.
No. Oh, no, I didn't.
Wait a minute, I don't even have cigarettes.
Huh?
Crap!
There go that phone. 24 hours a day.
Hello?
7 days a week.
What up? On the way to the mall. The car, I gotta finish paying on her engagement ring. The car was jerking. Is this supposed to do that in the morning?
No.
Yeah, it's pulling. It's not acting accordingly.
That means we have to hurry up and get it fixed before something.
And that Buick LeSabre.
We're on the road again, on the road.
Yeah, it's jerking once they get going.
slow, dead.
I understand that. Wait a minute, they gonna come looking for the rental. You said you think it's the oil? But both need to be checked.
Yes. Oil and brakes.
What you doing so up early? So I thought you would be drunk. Anybody new? Pretty much, huh? She must be asleep. What's the fucking purpose of? Okay, carry your ass on the train. Oh yeah?
Sexy.
What sister? Oh, put you down. She's 6'1". You know your voice on camera right now, right? She holding the camera, I'm driving. You ain't? That's how you feel? We just locked it. The world can hear that on camera. What else was I gonna say? It stopped jerking. Which means what? Nah, that's what I had to do in the Benz.
We'll be right back after these messages.